all your folders looking the same and slowing you down? There's a hidden feature Windows 11 tricks that changes everything. Welcome to Space Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to customize folder colors in seconds so you can organize smarter and find faster. Okay, for the first step, open your Microsoft Store. You can search it from the search bar, or my Microsoft apps is on the taskbar, so I'm clicking on it. And in the search bar, type folder color and hit enter. Wait a second, and here you will see a tons of folder color applications, but choose wisely. As I'm using the fourth one here, this folder icon printer or painter. Okay, as I have already downloaded, you will see a get icon. Click on it to download and wait a few seconds while it's downloading. Once the download is completed, click on the open icon and it will open a new windows. I'm maximizing it for a great view. Okay, now from here, scroll down on the colors and click on the one you like. Let's go for this green one. Let's go for the red ones, as I have an important folder to do. Okay, from here, you can see your file folder has opened the Windows Explorer folder in a minimizing window. From here, select the folder you want to color, as I want the document folder to make it a red because it's important. So click on it, then click on select folder. Okay, I hope, as you can see here, the message has popped saying picked folder documents. Okay, now let's close the window and go to Windows Explorer. Here, as you can see, my document folder has turned red, and yeah, it has worked pretty well. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful and useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to Space Pro and keep with us. See you in another video. Bye.